So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete text here in the Visme application or on the Visme website. So once you're into Visme, first off, add some text to your design. So to add some text, go to the top left, press on this text icon over here, this T, then just type in whatever text you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in, since we want to delete text, I'm going to go ahead and type in delete, DLETE. There you go. I'll make it a little bit larger so that it's easier to see. There you go. There you go. Now, if you want to delete it, it's very simple. First off, what you can do is just simply press on it, then go to delete on your keyboard and just press on delete. That's one way. Or if you want to perhaps do it another way, you can just go ahead. If your delete button's broken, for example, you can go ahead, press on the text right here, go to the top right, and then to this garbage can icon or where it says delete. Simply just press delete, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can delete text here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.